In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Claude Opus 4.8 for free with Kiro.dev account. So even I got this account using AWS. Once you sign up for AWS, they're going to give you $200 and then you can make use of it. Even you can create a startup website and then you can apply for 1,000 credits as well. Let's dive in. Once you go to aws.amazon.com, click on create an account, that code. And then here you can go with a paid plan, so that's going to give you much more control. So free account doesn't give some of these, so you can go with paid. You don't need to pay, still you can get $200. So this is where you can just fill out all the details and then click on next. So here you can use UPI, autopay or credit card. So if you go with UPI, the Kiro Pro is not going to work. So I just tested it. So you need to have that debit card or credit card payment. So that once you have that, then only you can make use of that Kiro. Otherwise you're gonna get an error. I'll show you. You just simply scan this QR code, payment method, and then click on continue. Individual, you can go with Aadhaar card. So once you click on the Aadhaar card, you just need to fill your mobile number and the details. So you're gonna get OTP, then you can verify it with a DigiLocker. So once you click on that, so then click on continue. So this is, you don't need a business plan, just go with basic support. It's gonna take some time to get your activated, so just wait for a while if it is not activated immediately. If it is, then go to EC2. Now you can see it's not activated. You can just wait for a while. So once you wait for a while, then you can re-log in. Then just to verify, just create something in the AWS. So I'm just gonna create an elastic IP just to check. So I was able to create it successfully. That means my account is completely activated. But for the Kiro, I need to have a valid payment, as I said, so we have to check on that one. So even you can add MFA just to make sure your account is secure. Just click on add MFA and then just download Google Authenticator application and then scan this QR code. So it's gonna give you numbers. Then wait for a while. After 30 seconds, it's gonna give you a new number. Then you can type it. That's it. You got a new account. Once you have this account, if you go to billing and cost management, so if you click on credits, you can see only $100 at the moment. In your case, you can see only 100. But if you go to AWS, if you click on this logo here, and then if you scroll down, so you need to finish these tasks. So if you create an EC2 machine, if you create something in Amazon Bedrock, RDS, so once you done these tasks, they're gonna give you $20 for each. So that way you can have $200. So once you land here, let's look for Kiro. Click on that. Here you can click on enable small teams. Then choose IAM Identity Center. Click on next. And then I do have this email. Just give a working email. DevOps.in. Click on continue and then click on enable. Once you do this, then look for IAM Identity Center. If you scroll down, you can see access portal, or you can click on go to settings and then click on actions, customize AWS access portal. So you can choose your own one. So let's say ops. If that available, you can see that the user already received an email. Even we can copy this link and open it in new tab, incognito. Let's put a password. Now we confirm that account. Now go back to Kiro dashboard. Now even you can click on here, go to users and groups, click on add a user. Now Kiro Pro. Let's click on continue. Look for user and then assign. It wasn't working on that account, so now I'm trying this on new other account. So once you go to this Kiro, then let's try to add users. Just gonna add Kiro Pro. So here I do have one of the users. I'm just gonna add it. Click on assign. So in this account I was able to do it. So I figured out that because of this payment mode. So when I created that account, the earlier one, I used UPI mode. That's why I was not able to do that. So make sure to add a payment mode. So you can add any debit or credit card. So that's gonna work. So once you add this user, so what you can do, you can grab the sign-in URL and then open incognito. Let's go to Kiro.dev, sign in, and then here you can choose your organization. So let's put that ID and then choose region. That's US East 1 we have. So it seems basically by default it's going to go to US East 1 if you don't want to specify. So let's put that username, info@example.com. That's what I've given. If I go back and check it out, let's see. I just created a user. Just to test. Okay, username is Madhu, so we need to use Madhu username. So let's edit it, Madhu, and then put the password. So let's give it a new password. And now if you check in here, if you go to settings, now you're a pro user. So this is how you can get a free Kiro. So if you go to Kiro, and then even you can choose model. So even you can use Claude Opus 4.8. So this is how you can get free $200. Even you can by using Kiro, you can build a website and you can set it up a startup. So I'm just gonna put that video link in the description, so you can try with that. So that way you can get 1,000 credits as well. Let's build something. Let's say build calculator. Okay, it says Kiro web is not enabled for this account, so you can go back to AWS. You can go to settings. Here you can you can enable this one. So click on that button. Now let's go back and just refresh it once. Build calculator. Now it's gonna build a calculator application for us. So this is how you can make use of Claude Opus 4.8 latest model as well for free. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.